Weird sound in European languages. At the time of the creation of this video, the UK has left the EU, but we are just going to let this flag slide. 1. English. Surprisingly, the TH sounds are very rare. These are known as dental fricatives. Only 1% of languages have these sounds. 2. Czech. This is the Czech R.
S.
Examples.
Řeka. Zeřicha.
3. Danish. While Danish has many weird sounds, my favorite is the soft D.
Sisse og Frede sidder midt i en park ved siden af en mand. Manden sidder og kigger på billeder på nettet, men de to synes det er meget federe at sidde og nyde udsigten og vejret.
Using the IPA, the DE sound in
I'et.
is written as a voiced dental fricative. Can you pronounce?
Rødgrød med fløde.
This is the mix of all the difficult Danish sounds and, ironically, it is the name of a delicious Danish pudding calling Danish red pudding with cream in English. Bye.